in Guangzhou, China. Today I would like to introduce one of our long-term business partner, Samsung. Samsung Electronics Limited is manufacturer a range of electronic products like personal computer, personal mobile phones, and some homeware appliances like microwaves and air conditioners and table for customers to experience the new products like mobile phones. And you can see this is the layout of the store. These two merchandise tables are here, and the other two are right there. And this is the accessories for the mobile phone. And this is the accessory for the watches. Here are the same experience video tables. For the top, we use the wood veneer for the table, and above are the metal face. And you can see here are some more shelves for the accessories. For example, like the phone in the mobile case, and these are the brown cabinets for the refrigerator. And this is the middle table for the washer. And you can see for the wardrobe, this is flat wall, so you can put up the phone cases here. And for this design, we also insert the LED lights on the top and also release the heat. This is very heavy wall cabinet. This is also the middle table for the washer, also very heavy duty. And this is the counter. For the countertop, we use the artificial marble. And for the front, we also can insert the concealed LED lights inside. And the microwave opens. And this side is for the refrigerator as well.